Good morning, everyone. My today's topic is collision. In this topic, we will study about the collision, its definition, its type, its characteristics, and essential condition. First of all, the definition of collision. Collision is basically, if we go for the definition, it is an isolated event. Isolated event when two or more colliding bodies exert strong forces on each other. Okay, for example, if we go for the daily life, when anybody met an accident, road accident, in that case one vehicle and another vehicle collide with each other and exert strong forces on each other. So this is an example of collision. Second example, if one throws a ball over the wall, in that case this ball is exerting strong force over the wall, and the wall in turn is giving equal opposite reaction to the ball. Third example, if we are having a clay, and if we throw it over the floor, in that case that clay is exerting force on the floor, and the floor in turn giving a positive reaction. So all these cases in which two or more colliding bodies exert strong forces on each other, so that is known as collision, right? Now two or more bodies, if we go for example, that stone game you must have played in your childhood, that game which is known as when you play with kanche. Okay, in that case you strike one stone with the another one. Okay, and all these stones will go out. So due to single stone, all other stones move further with different velocities, and that is another example of collision. Now if we talk about the type of collision, there are basically two types of collision. One is elastic collision, and another is inelastic collision. Now what is elastic collision? Elastic collision is to understand this, we will take an example of suppose charged particles. Okay, so I will put the heading elastic collision. For example, we are having two electrons. When these two electrons move toward each other, since they are equally charged, so they will repel each other and move away from each other. So it appears like कि वो एक दूसरे के close जा रहे हैं, and they tend to collide, or then they move away from each other. वो वापस चले जाते हैं. Just like in a collision, जैसे आप एक बॉल लेते हो, आप एक बॉल को वॉल पे स्ट्राइक करते हो, थ्रो करते हो, एंड बॉल वापस बाउंस करके आती है. दैट इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कोलिजन. सिमिलरली लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉन्स व्हेन दे मूव टुगेदर टुवर्ड ईच अदर, और वो वापस मूव कर जाते हैं, इट इज अनदर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इलास्टिक कोलिजन. बेसिकली व्हाट हैपन इन दिस टाइप ऑफ कोलिजन, देयर इज नो लॉस ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी. सो दिस इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ elastic collision. So we can say the essential condition is no loss of kinetic energy. Okay, so this is the definition, that collision is said to be elastic collision when there is no loss of kinetic energy. Another example if we take for the daily life is, आप वो बॉल के साथ खेलते हो, एक बाउंसिंग बॉल होती है, you just throw it ball the downward, okay, on the floor, और वो वापस उतनी ही हाइट पर अगर पहुंचती है, तो इन दैट केस जो बॉल जिस हाइट से आपने थ्रो की, नीचे थ्रो की, और उसी हाइट पे वो वापस बाउंस कर जाती है. तो सिंस सेम हाइट इज ऑब्टेन्ड, इट मीन्स देयर इज नो लॉस ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इलास्टिक कोलिशन. सो आई होप concept of elastic collision is clear. Now the conditions or characteristics, if sometime question comes that what are the conditions for elastic collision, yes, sometime it is being asked that what are the characteristics of elastic collision. So conditions or characteristics are characteristics are, first, linear momentum is conserved. Linear momentum is conserved. Second is total energy is conserved. Total energy is conserved. And third is kinetic energy is conserved. Okay, so this is the basic conditions or characteristics of elastic collision. Now we will discuss about inelastic collision in our next video.